Welcome back to another one of my videos. I just want to apologize in advance. I'm a little under the weather. Nonetheless, I wanted to showcase one of my newer projects. What this project does is it allows you to index information. It indexes both from the chat and also from documents. And it's multiple sessions, so you can create a new session and you can also save and load all the sessions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the current session that I have, which is a new session that was generated, and I can give it some information. So you can see here it actually uses the source, which is the conversation, for the indexed information. And in this use case, it recognizes my name. I can also tell it that my brother's name is Austin. So then you can see here it just kind of does a typical AI prompt. Um, and the cool thing though is you can actually visualize the information. So I'm going to include the chat in the visualization graph. So you can see here that it was able to make a correlation between my brother and myself. And I'm still looking to clean up the code. It ties information that it pulls from the prompt into the visualization. This is just the very early beginning of this code. As I work on it more, I'll have features that remove that, and I'll also remove the internal loop, how it references myself back to myself here. So the cool thing now is if I wanted to give it a document, for example, I already have one here that I preloaded, and this is just regarding some information in between Russia and Ukraine that I pulled off Wiki. I can index that information. All right, it looks like the information has been indexed. So now what we could do is go back to the visualizer. We can visualize the graph, and you can see here it's pulled in all that information from that document that I provided. You can see here off to the left that my brother and myself are not associated with this information. There's no connection between that. However, if I was to go back to the chat and say that both me and my brother live in Russia, and I come back, you can see here it's used the conversation plus documents for the response here, and we should be able to see that visualization represented here in this graph now. So now you could see that it's tied that to Russia. So it's kind of cool how it makes the connections. This will become useful for one of my bigger projects where I'm looking to look for discrepancies within data, and then also have it to where it can build upon itself off of previously indexed information. So cool things come with this project, but if you were looking for something like this, I'll have the code available on my website for free. Please check it out at BEL.Solutions. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.